Welcome to Section 1, Introduction to Crypto Mining. Crypto mining is the lifeblood of many cryptocurrencies. It's the process that secures the network and validates transactions. Essentially, miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. The first miner to solve the problem adds the next block to the blockchain. This process ensures that transactions are verified and added to the public ledger. Miners receive rewards for their efforts, typically in the form of the cryptocurrency they are mining. For example, Bitcoin miners receive Bitcoin as a reward. Mining is crucial to the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies. Mining is not just about profits, it plays a vital role in the security and integrity of the blockchain. By participating in mining, individuals contribute to the overall health and stability of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Understanding crypto mining is essential for anyone looking to delve deeper into the world of cryptocurrencies. Now, moving on to Section 2, the backbone of blockchain, proof of work. Proof of work, or POW, is the consensus mechanism that underpins many cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. It's the system that allows the decentralized network to agree on a single version of the truth. Miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems. The first miner to find the solution presents it to the network for verification. If the solution is valid, the miner is rewarded with cryptocurrency. This process is what gives value to cryptocurrencies. POW ensures that it is extremely difficult and costly to alter the blockchain. Attackers would need to control a majority of the network's hash rate. This makes POW a very secure system for securing a distributed ledger. Understanding POW is fundamental to grasping the underlying principles of crypto mining. Let's explore Section 3, Mining Hardware, Your Tools for Success. In the early days of Bitcoin, mining could be done on ordinary computers. Today, specialized hardware is required to compete. The most common type of mining hardware is the ASIC, or Application-Specific Integrated Circuit. ASICs are designed specifically for mining cryptocurrencies and offer significant performance advantages over CPUs and GPUs. The choice of hardware depends on factors such as the cryptocurrency you want to mine and your budget. Different cryptocurrencies have different hashing algorithms, meaning that an ASIC, designed for Bitcoin mining, will not be suitable for mining Ethereum, for example. It is important to research the specific requirements of the cryptocurrency you are interested in mining. Investing in the right hardware is crucial for successful crypto mining. Finally, we reach Section 4, setting up your mining operation. Once you have chosen your desired cryptocurrency and acquired your mining hardware, you need to set up your mining operation. This involves connecting your ASIC miners to a power source and the internet. You will also need to install mining software that is compatible with your chosen cryptocurrency. The mining software connects your hardware to the blockchain network. It allows you to monitor your mining progress and manage your earnings. Setting up your mining operation can be a technical process. There are numerous online resources and communities dedicated to helping beginners get started. Taking the time to properly configure your mining setup is essential for maximizing your chances of success. Section 5. The power of the pool, joining forces in mining. Mining pools allow individual miners to combine their computing power. By working together, they increase their chances of solving blocks and earning rewards. When a mining pool successfully mines a block, the rewards are distributed among the pool members according to their contributed hash rate. Joining a mining pool can significantly improve your chances of earning consistent mining rewards. It is particularly beneficial for miners with less powerful hardware. When choosing a mining pool, factors to consider include the pool's size, fees, and payout structure. Larger pools may offer more frequent payouts, but also have higher fees. Researching and selecting a reputable mining pool is crucial for maximizing your mining profitability. Section 6. Navigating the crypto market, tips for profitability. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate significantly, impacting the profitability of mining. Successful miners stay informed about market trends and adjust their strategies accordingly. One strategy is to focus on mining cryptocurrencies that have strong fundamentals and a positive long-term outlook. Another strategy is to diversify your mining portfolio. By mining multiple cryptocurrencies, you can spread your risk and potentially increase your overall returns. It's important to have a solid understanding of market dynamics and to adapt to changing conditions. This can help you navigate the volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market. Section 7. The costs of mining energy, hardware, and more. Cryptocurrency mining can be a profitable endeavor, but it's essential to consider the associated costs. One of the most significant expenses is electricity. Mining hardware consumes a considerable amount of power, especially ASIC miners. The cost of electricity can vary greatly depending on your location. Miners often seek out areas with low electricity rates to reduce their operating expenses. In addition to electricity, other costs include the initial investment in mining hardware, cooling solutions, and potential maintenance or repair expenses. It's crucial to factor in all these costs when calculating your potential mining profitability. Section 8. Efficiency is key optimizing your mining setup. Maximizing mining efficiency is essential for profitability. One way to achieve this is by optimizing your mining hardware. This involves ensuring that your ASIC miners are running at their optimal hash rate and that their cooling systems are functioning correctly. Overheating can significantly reduce the lifespan of your mining hardware. Another way to improve efficiency is by carefully managing your electricity consumption. Using energy-efficient mining hardware and exploring alternative energy sources such as solar power can help reduce your operating costs. By continuously seeking ways to optimize your mining setup, you can increase your profitability and stay ahead of the competition. Section 9. Mining for the future, conclusion and call to action. Cryptocurrency mining is a fascinating and potentially lucrative endeavor. It plays a vital role in the security and decentralization of blockchain networks. By understanding the fundamentals of crypto mining, the equipment involved, and the importance of efficiency, individuals can embark on their mining journey. Remember to stay informed about market trends, manage your risks effectively, and adapt to the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies. Join the conversation. Share your thoughts, questions, and experiences with crypto mining in the comments below. Let's explore the exciting possibilities of this transformative technology together.